What's up, you guys? Today's 4th of July and we got some awesome stuff planned. We bought some fireworks yesterday. We are gonna have a cookout, maybe swim with the elephants, and it's all about to be fun. So I'm gonna head back here to see what everyone else got going on. Take you guys along with my 4th of July. We got all the food, peppercorn. Oh, so this is gonna
Alright, what do you want to go in this? Potato salad?
Yeah, I want this. At least just bring it. Yeah,
I'm going to have my
Sarah's
one.
over here helping.
I meant to get that. The red.
Okay, Sarah, we're gonna put you to the test. Is it gonna blow up, or is it gonna be
You set the
regular?
whole thing on fire last time.
Doc did.
Yeah, okay. Well, like she can't light it at all.
I'm scared, that's why.
You be alright.
Okay.
Can you do it?
It's lit.
Ma'am?
Alright.
Oh. Good job, Sarah.
No, you were worried I was going to get my face burnt on for you.
Why'd y'all help her?
You videotaped me?
You little rascal, you. We got all the goodies. Got our Beyond Burgers and some baked hot dogs. There goes Bubbles. She's going in the water to swim.
That's good.
We got my mom over here on babysit duty. Is this our child? Is this my sister?
I think she's a little light-skinned to be your sister.
Hi. Hi. I'm gonna get your toes. I'm gonna get your toes.
Tell Morgan.
I'm getting your toes. I'm getting them. I get your toes. I'm getting your toes. You're a cute baby. Hi.
Look, I don't know who she is right now. We don't know her. Tell her, we don't know her.
Wow. Wow. I'm gonna go get in the water. The water's pretty warm. There's Jack complaining what he does best.
Hey, this is Leah right here. She doesn't ever take videos for me.
Hey, look, I only take videos for you.
What's this man doing?
I think the towboat's coming to tow the elephant.
Anybody else want to get on and like share with us? I'll stay until y'all take me off.
Never mind. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go get on the elephant. Oh, bang! got him this lovely gift for Father's Day. We're so sweet.
Who are you talking to?
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yep.
What's up, YouTube? It's the man, DJ Smooth. Check me out.
Well, that was a great swim. Now we're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna go blow off some fireworks tonight. So, I'll see you guys tonight. All right, so we're about to light off fireworks. We got my stepdad over here DJing. Got the whole crew out here. Got the whole setup over here. Got everybody down here dancing. Oh God! Oh my God!
Oh, good job.
Everybody die!
Why does it pick up?
Just
Got ashes.
And the pooping begins.
Poopy, 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 poop, 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 poop. Oh, so give it to me. I don't want it. I don't want that.
Ain't no laws in green claw.
Nobody else want to have a snorkel? Oh, they are so cool over there. They think they so cool. They for sure think they cool over here. Oh, yeah, y'all think y'all cool. Okay. Hey, y'all, no cap. I'm about to go return my fireworks. I'm just going to watch these ones for free. We got fireworks going off down there. Fireworks going off right here. Back again at it.
Run, Chris, run!
What if it just fell in the
Kill
water?
me.
Would it be a waste of fun? That's it?
Yeah, that's all, y'all. That was the most wackest. Hey, that was the most wackest one ever. No cap.
I thought it was. I thought it was that. They making us lit it.
So we got all these, but we just do the wackest ones first. Huh? I'm gonna jump in the water. I'm gonna go in the water. Oh yeah, we gotta claim in. I for sure just got shot on my neck. Bro, what? I'm running away next time. Is it cool?
Yeah.
Yes.
I never did this before.
Is it excited?
Yeah.
Can I have a high five? Yeah.
You're right.
I like to stay in the chair.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Oh, it's going.
Run.
Yeah. Hey, y'all want that smoke? Oh! Yeah! Oh!
Hey, y'all, you know what's certain? We got the neighbors over there watching our fireworks. But you moving the front leg, not the back.
Do the back too.
Okay. Oh, goddamn. Hey, yo. Oh, and the red fireworks in the background.
Hey, that shit's so ass, bro. Hey, bro.
I like that one.
Hey, that's the thing.
Pretty. I like that. I like
That's
that.
the thing on TikTok.
That shit's
But that shit was whack.
I like that. Oh, that song.
Hey, they beating us so fast, y'all. Hey, Chris ran so fast. Woo! Woo! Ooh, ooh.
Okay.
Hey, this is where it's at,
Sarah
y'all.
getting the best views.
Y'all gotta sit just like this, or you can't see nothing.
Yeah, y'all gotta get on her level. Get on her level. Get on her level. Y'all failing.
What is it Leah lighting right here? A bomb?
Yeah, y'all look.
He's about to go over. You about to die. Boom!
Oh, it's shooting.
Forward, partner, wait! Back to start a fire.
She mad. I won. We had to make her sit down. Look at her. We had to make her sit down. Why you mad, bro? She mad, y'all. She mad. Come down with us, Liza.
Oh, no! I'm going that low.
They running in the corner. Dancing, running. Oh, they're running over here. Whoa, God. Woo! Woo, there's more. Why you stop singing?
Because the children are blowing up the water pipe.
That's why we're losing.
Go get it, man.
They suck. They don't know what they're doing. Who gave them a lighter? Marcus, no! Why she yelling at the DJ? Somebody does watching fireworks.
Marcus, I'm gonna touch something. Okay.
This is, oh, she happy now? Come on now. You came and yelled at this man for no reason? That's not your favorite song?
Man.
You don't even want to notice. Keep
Hold
walking.
on. Yeah.
He's like, do it backwards.
Well, guys, as you can see, I just woke up. It's about 8 o'clock. And, last night was a success, I think. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Also, turn on those post notifications and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.